explain three concepts to you. Number one, what are incomplete markets? Number two, what is hedging at minimum cost? And number three, what does it mean to complete a market? Incomplete markets are markets in which the number of atomic securities is less than the number of states. Under this circumstance, perfect risk transfer is not possible. Take, for example, a market that only offers two securities, bonds and stocks, while returns can be categorized into good weather, fair weather, and bad weather returns. Let the payment matrix be this expression here, with bonds paying $5 for each state and stocks paying 15, 20, and 10 for the good weather, fair weather, and bad weather states. And also let the prices of bonds and stocks be 3 and 12 respectively. Assume that an investor desires a cash flow of 7, 5, and 4. It is impossible, and you can try solving this equation on software to find an exact replicating strategy involving the bond and the stock to match the desired cash flow. This leads us to our next concept, which is hedging at minimum cost. Although in our previous example we are unable to replicate exact cash flows, we can, however, minimize the cost of meeting or exceeding the required cash flows. So instead of solving Qn is equal to C, we try solving Qn is greater than or equal to C, while minimizing PSN, which is the cost of your portfolio of replicating investments. Again, we can rely on any software with optimization abilities, such as Lagrange's multipliers on MATLAB, and we get the vector n is equal to 82.0575 and minus 20.2644. And thus the minimalized price of the portfolio is PS times N, which gives us $3. Now we can start looking at completing the market. Previously we had the following payment matrix and price vector. Suppose an investor knows that with $300 calculated above, it can meet its minimum obligations in every state with excess of $100.30 and $203.64 in the good and bad weather states. Let's assume that after some deliberation, the investor then decides to create a market and sell or buy a product with a cash flow of 754 for say $9, for which is arbitrary for now, but in reality it would depend on the probability of each state. The payment matrix and price vector can then be expressed as such. And since the determinant of the matrix is distinct, checked using software, and we know it's at minus 125, we can construct all possible cash flows with existing assets. The market is now complete. Alright, thank you for your time.